Vehicles which are designed to withstand improvised explosive device attacks and ambushes are known as mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles. The MRAP vehicles usually have V-shaped hulls to deflect the explosive forces from the land mines or grenades and even from the improvised explosive devices. These V-shaped hulls protects the vehicle and passengers from the landmines and IEDs which is found below the vehicles while movement. These mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles generally weighs 14 to 18 tons and they are normally 9 feet high, and they sometimes differ from manufacturer to manufacturers. The reason why we are talking about the mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles now is due to the news related to Mahindra's mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle. Yes, the Mahindra Defence System has made a mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle which will be used by the UN peacekeeping forces. This vehicle has an integration arms to lift the roadside improvised explosive devices as well. Anand Mahindra, who is the chairman of Mahindra Group, tweeted calling this particular vehicle as a mean machine. And also on a lighter note, he mentioned that it would be a perfect vehicle to drive in Mumbai traffic. This mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle, which is manufactured by Mahindra, is an armored capsule-based bulletproof vehicle that can seat a total of 6 people. This vehicle not only offers protection against the improvised explosive devices, it also protects the troops from hand grenades and anti-personnel mines. Mahindra Defence revealed that this vehicle has been designed, produced and exported from India. And this specialty vehicle will be used by the United Nations peacekeeping forces in their operations around the world. So that was an update on defense side where Mahindra Defence Arm has manufactured a powerful vehicle for exporting, which is the mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.